Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle and I'm here to talk to you. So today I am going to be doing St. Patrick's Day eyeshadow looks. I'm going to be doing 2 looks. This is one of them. So if you want to see my St. Patrick's Day looks for 2020, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I already did my face makeup and I primed my eyes already. I'm probably going to be pulling a couple different palettes. So if you don't have these palettes, just try to pick a color similar if you're following along with me. So I am going to be attempting 2 different eye looks today. I'm gonna do one and then I'm gonna try to salvage my face makeup and do another look for you guys. So this first look, I think I'm gonna be doing like a green and yellow look, and I'm gonna be pulling from the Trendy in Tokyo palette from BH Cosmetics, and I really like this shade Bamboo, so I think I'm going to take that shade and I'm going to put that on my outer corners and kind of smoke it out. Okay, so now for the yellow, I'm going to be going into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to be dipping into the shade Wow, this yellow color right up here, and we're going to put that on our inner corner. Next, I'm going to go in with the palette Uhhuh Honey from Colourpop Cosmetics, and there is this like glittery yellow in the center called Palooza, and I'm going to take a brush and I'm gonna kind of tap it in the inner corner. Okay, so next for the bottom lashes, I'm going to go into the MorpheXJeffree Star Artistry palette, and there's this really pretty green. So I'm going to line the inner corner with this light color green. It's called Wake and Bake, and then I'm going to line the outer corner with the color Nate. Okay, now I'm going to go off camera and do my mascara and my eyeliner, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So this is the St. Patrick's Day look number 1. I really love the touch of glitter. I love how the yellow goes into the green. You don't have to do the glitter if you don't want to. You can always add false lashes and choose a different lip color, but the lip color that I chose today is the Balm Jour from the Balm Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Konnichiwa. So this is St. Patrick's Day look number 1. So let's go ahead and move into St. Patrick's Day look number 2. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the way I took off my eye makeup, and it didn't really too much ruin my under eyes or my eyebrows or anything like that. I even left the mascara on. There is still residue of glitter, but bear with me. So the second look for St. Patrick's Day that we are going to do is just gonna be an all green look, and I think I'm going to use the James Charles palette, and for my outer corner I'm gonna take this dark green down at the bottom. I already primed my eyes again, by the way, and the primer that I've been using is the Morphe eyelid primer. And then also in the James Charles palette, there's this really pretty, I don't think I've ever played with it, this greenish shimmery color above that green one we just took. I want to take that and kind of start blending into the middle of the eye. Okay, so I actually took it and did the rest of the lid because this color is really pretty. I have never actually touched this color yet in the James Charles palette, and I've had this palette for quite a while. So in the Morphe Fierce by Nature palette, this is the 3503, there is this green color up at the top right here, and I'm gonna take that color and very lightly go over the outer edges just to kind of blend it out a little bit better. And then I'm going to go back in with that dark color from the James Charles palette, and I'm going to make the edges a little bit more defined since it's blended out now. Okay, then I think we're going to go back into that same dark color, and I'm going to line my bottom lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna fix like my mascara and my eyeliner, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. This is the St. Patrick's look number 2. It's more, you know, just green and blended. I didn't do my full lash line on the bottom. I just did the outer corners. And then as far as my lipstick goes, I picked something a little bit more on the brown side. This is a Morphe lip crayon. This is what the color looks like. And I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you, what the name of this lip crayon is. It says lip crayon, crayon pour les levers. And I don't know if that's just in a different language for lip crayon. But anyways, that is the color, if you can kind of see that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had fun doing this. I've never done a 2-look video before, but hopefully this will give you guys some ideas what you can do for St. Patrick's Day coming up. It's right around the corner. I hope everyone is safe and has a great time on St. Patrick's Day. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. You can click on my face below and then check out the rest of my other videos that pop up on the sides. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you're gonna do for St. Patrick's Day, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.